Well, well, I've decided to start working on TreeHub. So I spent a lot of today working up wireframes and also starting and dabbling in implementation and looking at technologies and things. No, excuse me. My voice isn't back yet. It's almost back. It's so close, so close. But here we go. So I talked a little bit about the screens, but I kind of went, I'll start with a login screen. For my MVP, I'm not even going to worry about like authentication. I'll just say, give me a URL that is your repository and the starting person ID. And it'll kind of look something like this. So you have your repository person ID and connect, and we'll make the background a nice image with a partially opaque overlay or something. Oh, goodness. So we'll use placeholder text, and there's what it looks like filled in, and then we have an invalid ID. And when we're connecting, we'll put a little spinner there, and connect to repository, and then when we do, we'll have underneath, we'll have the navigation. I'll show you that in a minute. Goodness, excuse me. And so what will happen is stuff on the top will just kind of shift out of the way and fade, and then that'll just pop through after it's finished loading. So it'll just be a very buttery smooth experience. And let's see, navigation. So I'm kind of thinking the overview areas. You have the children, spouses, parents, person, and repository. This is kind of a navigation. You start with a base person, and you can go to parents or spouses or children and navigate around. Probably a lot better than a traditional binary where it just gets nasty quickly. This always stays the same, and it's flexible in the number of spouses. You can have like 5 parents. If you legitimately could have 5 parents for various reasons. Spouses, you could have multiple spouses, and children, you can have as many children as you need. And that's a good way of showing it. Potentially. Try. Oh, excuse me. So you kind of have this, I'm thinking circles with the name maybe, in the spouses, and then you have parents and then children. And the nice thing about this is you can do a vertical scroll on overflow. So you can actually just cycle through the children. Oh, there's the one I want. And you can essentially, it won't work that. You can drag it to the center, or you click on it, it goes to the center, and that's the person you're currently on, and then you can do your navigation that way, is what I'm thinking. It'll also tell you what repository you're currently in. Because this could be a boundary, and then you go, whoop, and you're over in another repository somewhere. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. I did get the start. Got a connect button, 2 input fields. This is using just HTML5 boilerplate or template or whatever. I think it's boilerplate. And then I just styled this myself. Just started grabbing CSS from various places. I think I grabbed a lot of the CSS for these from Bootstrap. Just kind of grabbed it in. And then this will be when you connect, it'll do that slide out, and the image will come through. But that's what I'm working on now. I'm not going to worry about it too much. So it's the weekend. I'm going to take this weekend and hopefully get better, get my voice back. Jeez, it's been almost a week. So it would be nice to get that back. Take care. Have fun.